Parkour! Oh shit. Run it, Drew. What? Run it, Drew. Are you in Run It, Drew?
Oh, Run It, Drew.
Yeah. Yo, it's your boy Run It, Drew. Woo! We back. Oh my God, I'm so happy for this weather. Let's see if I can roll and start this bad boy. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I did it. Oh, shoot. Hey, this is tight. Hey, Mo. Oh, ow, ow. We down. Oh, shoot. Hey, this is tight. This is tight. What if a train came? We're going to try to make like a trail through here. This is nice, man. Hey man, y'all just keep watching the videos. Y'all gonna see us do some crazy stuff, man. Hey, this will be a perfect Instagram photo. I've heard horror stories about people riding on railroad tracks, like, I don't know, nails and stuff. But that's a big nail, man. If you get that stuck in your tire, that's just bad luck. My mom always told me, never play on a railroad track, son. And look at me now. Teaches how to use an iPhone.
Android user.
Nah, bro.
Bruh,
Hit the camera.
I'm hitting it. Look.
Like, hit it, bro.
Oh,
you gotta swipe it. There you go. Oh my God, bro. Give me, son.
Do it for IG.
IG, son.
That joint tight right.
Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, we can cross that. Yes, sir. That's nice. I never knew this was back here, man. Oh! He did it. Z. What if this is like somebody's land? Huh? You think this is somebody's land? If you see somebody, you better be ready to get it. Huh? You see somebody, you better be ready to get it. This is a nice spot, bro. Oh shit, Peaches, somebody coming. Somebody coming, bro. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just messing with you. Parkour. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah. Parkour. No, sir. Oh, no, sir. Oh, no, sir. Riding in the woods, looking for your girlfriend. Oh, that's creepy. That's the way you do it, wheelie in the trail. Oh, shit. we made it. He told me to catch up. Peaches. Alright, he maybe got me. Yeah, bub. Oh. Yeah. Oh boy, that was wet.
Okay, let's get it. Bitch, let's get it.
Run it, Drew.
What?
Run it, Drew.
Run it through?
R-U-N, run it, Drew.
Oh, run it through.
Yeah.
Where? You said,
What's up with y'all? Go follow me, man. That's sweet. That's what it's all about.
you're on YouTube?
Yeah.
Check it out, guys.
Y'all be on there. I'll post it up. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, God. No. Yes, that's cool, man. That's what it's all about, bro. Just
I remember that time we were sipping on wine. I could see it in your eyes, you were feeling alive. Why I tell you I was good, why the fuck would I lie? I remember saying twice, baby, I shouldn't drive. I should let you hold the keys, baby, take them aside. If you taking my advice, maybe then you survive. Yeah, I've been looking at the sky all night.
And this is strong as fuck, boy. She told me put my heart in the bag, and nobody gets hurt. Now I'm running from your love. I'm not fast, so I made